Next hearing would be on April 22 at ang sabi po nila ng House Justice Committee, it will also focus kumbaga yung financial aspect ng kaso. 'Di ba? Yung SALN at saka yung AMLAC. And given na wala pa pong desisyon ang Korte Suprema doon sa petisyon na final ng asawa ni Vice President Sara Duterte, ay talagang magkakaalaman na dito pagdating sa SALN. And how significant this could be doon sa hearing?
Yung testimonya ng Ombudsman regarding the SALN is very big. No? Kasi siya yung makakapagsabi with authority whether there was unexplained wealth, no, based on the SALN. So kung walang TRO na na-issue, then magte-testify yung Ombudsman, both explaining the SALN and then of course presenting the SALN dun sa Committee on Justice. Malaking bagay yun. Because that can be clear and convincing evidence of unexplained wealth, no, which can be supportive of yung impeachment charges. But kung walang mapakita na unexplained wealth, no, kasi iba naman yung konsepto ng unexplained wealth, no, by just showing the SALN, no, kailangan meron ding explanation na gagawin yung Ombudsman na hindi nila mapaliwanag kung saan nanggaling yung kayamanan. So if the Ombudsman can explain that there is indeed unexplained wealth, then that is clear and convincing evidence, I would say.